Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So we had a pretty big turn up on the dollar this morning, which definitely caused the US dollar CAD to go up a little. It doesn't really seem to me like it's a significant turn. Now, if it closes up at the end of the day, as in if the daily candle closes up, then I definitely will start looking for longs starting tomorrow. But for now, I am definitely not ruling out the possibility this is just a little pullback within a downtrend, especially because to me, this over here looks like it could be the end of a correction. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have what I looks to me like a five-way pattern down, one, two, three, four, five. So perhaps we're just making a correction to those five waves. So if it goes up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, makes a big reaction to one of those levels, like a nice engulfing down, or like that double top breaker structure that we're always looking for, then I definitely would take it as a sorting opportunity because the higher time frames are definitely still down. And as usual, the trend is normally your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.